Ever wondered what could go wrong in a visa application process? Sometimes it's the little details we overlook that end up causing problems during the visa application. But don't worry, after watching this video, you can spot these mistakes and save yourselves from those common mistakes. Hi everyone, my name is Aman and I am one of the founding members here at Kyandhan. Today, I am here to break down what happens at an OFC appointment and guide you through each step. Watch the video till the end and know the detailed process that takes place during the OFC appointment. So, what exactly is an OFC? OFC stands for Off-Site Facilitation Center. This centers, organized by the US Embassy, handles the biometric data collections for student visa applications. To book your OFC appointment offline, start with Step 1. Visit the US Embassy's official website and create an account. Step 2. Fill out the DS-160 form, your visa application. Step 3. Pay the fees and save the payment receipt. Step 4. Schedule your appointment, which can be done online or in person. Well, if you want to go for an online process, start with Step 1. Go to the visa section and click on Scheduled Appointment. Step 2. Select the link for your visa type. Step 3. Enter the required detail and choose an available slot that works for you. Booking your appointment in person. That means head to the US Embassy with all your documents. The US visa officer there will help you out with the process. Once your appointment is set, make sure you submit your passport or passports, both current and old ones, DS-160 form, confirmation page, your appointment information email. Before booking an appointment or submitting documents, you need to keep in mind a few important things. Number 1, the OFC center and the biometric data collection center take place at a separate location. So double check the address. Number 2, you can cancel or reschedule, but it may take some time to get a new slot. So plan carefully. Number 3, make sure your passport information matches the DS-160 form to avoid any issue. Step 4, aim to arrive at least an hour early so you do not rush and may even complete the process soon. Number 5, bring colored printouts, especially for the DS-160 form, as it has a scannable code. Now, answering the questions of the hour, what to expect during your OFC appointment. Basically, it is an easy peasy process. After a quick document check, you will enter the room for biometric data collection. Your documents will be verified twice, once at the entry and then before your biometric data collection. To ensure a smooth OFC appointment, keep in mind 3 simple rules. Number 1, bags and electronics are not allowed inside. You can submit your bags to the clock room and they will charge you around 400 rupees. Number 2, if you have an injury on your hand or ink like mehendi, then they would deny your data collection and you have to reschedule the appointment. So take care. Number 3, if you wear glasses, remember to take them off for the photo. Hopefully, you have sailed through your OFC appointment smoothly. After this, you have to prepare for your US visa interview. But don't pause the video here. Here are the key takeaways. Schedule your appointment online through the US Embassy official website. Number 2, bring a color printout of your DS-160 and appointment confirmation email. Number 3, don't bring bags or electronic devices to your appointment. Number 4, arrive at least an hour before your scheduled time. Number 5, avoid any hand injury or mehendi before your appointment. Thanks for watching. We are here to support you for every step of the way in your study abroad journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you the next time.